Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Happy 2021. I have a January box. I do have a couple December boxes still out there in mail land, but we are moving forward with some January. And I have my January glossy box, so let's get in here and see what we've got. I am telling you, this box is so heavy, so heavy, and the lid doesn't want to shut, so it's got something really big in here. That's kind of exciting. If you are new to Glossybox, it is a $21 per month subscription. It is gifted to me for free for my honest review, which you are about to get. If you have any interest in this, I will put my link below. It will get you your first box for $16 instead of $21. And if you like it and you purchase a longer subscription, of course, just like with all the other boxes, the price goes down. All right, let's take the lid off of this. Oh, that is what the inside looks like. I see a really big bottle of something here. So we'll take out the paperwork, and this will tell us everything we need to know about what we have received. It is always packed so nice. And I have a stack over there of the boxes. I use them to send things off to my mom and my daughters. I just love these boxes too. Wow, this baby is full. Look how much is in there. That is awesome. Oh, something else I wanted to remember to tell you is they have put in 18 of the January boxes, which the January box is still available. They have put 18 golden tickets. And if you receive one of those golden tickets in your subscription, you get a $111 hair kit. I'm telling you right here who it's from. Rain. Oh my goodness. I just looked it up downstairs and said, oh, I can remember that. It's a $111 hair set that you can win if you get the golden ticket in your box. Okay, let's dig into this box. Oh, I could just edit all of that out and act like I remembered everything, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, as honest as I always am. I should have put my glasses on first because it says right here, win a Rain Cry bundle, and this is worth over $110. I think it was $111, so it's Rain Cry. Let me see if I can find you any more information on that. It is tempting to go back and edit out that part where I look kind of, but we'll just leave it. You guys know me too well. It doesn't say anything more about the brand, but it does say on the back of this, look out for more chances to win a golden ticket in the very near future. So maybe this is something they're going to start doing way more often. That's kind of fun. Happy New Year, Glossies. It's time to start fresh and welcome new beginnings. We want you to kick off the year on a positive note, so we're showing you the power of beauty. This month's box is filled with products to enhance your beauty inside and out. You'll be ready and refreshed to take on all that 2021 has to offer. Excellent. Okay, right on top we seem to have a sample, and it is called Smarter CBD. How refreshing. Say hey to Zolt. We're about peak performance for you as well as your CBD. That's why Zolt CBD mixes are optimized for your body's absorption and up to 5 times more effective than other hemp formats. And that is what that looks like. And mine is called Balance, but they also have Rise, Boost, Dial Up. They have a lot. Combine 1 mixie stick, which is what this is, with 16 ounces of water. Ooh, this is coconut and caffeine-free. That is interesting. I don't generally do supplements because I take some real medications that I kind of sometimes worry about if there'll be any interaction. So I will probably pass this along, but that's very interesting. And this says that it is an extra treat from Zolt, and it's got a $3.20 value. If you had a pack of 10, it would be $32. Raise your baseline performance mentally and physically with a perfect dose of pure hemp-derived CBD. This vegan drink additive is made with organic sweeteners and natural flavors. Like I said, I will probably pass this along. I don't usually do supplements like this, but I know they are super popular right now. Reaching in next to the big bottle we were talking about. This is huge. It is a full-size, probably 16.7 ounce bottle. I haven't even looked to see what it is yet. It is, you guys know, Bioderma Solution Micellar, so it's a micellar water, purifying cleansing micellar solution. All right, and this says Bioderma Sebium H2O Micellar Water. This best-selling dermatological micellar water cleanses the skin by removing dirt and debris, purifying and limiting sebum creation for the freshest feeling. Soak a cotton pad with micellar water and a wipe across the face. $14.90. can't really swipe this, but we can take the, oh, can we? I was gonna say, we can take the lid off and see what it smells like. I don't think it's screwing off. Interesting. Okay. Oh, it's very fresh. It smells kind of like a cleanser, but it has a little bit of a fresh smell to it. All right, well, that will absolutely get used. If I don't use this on my face, I will leave it up here to clean off after swatches. So that is awesome. That is a big jug of micellar water. Reaching in next, I have After Spa 2-pack of reusable rounds. That is what that looks like. I love these. I'm thinking this probably wasn't an accident. I was getting ready to say, I use these with micellar water to take off my eye makeup sometimes. So I suspect this wasn't an accident. Look at them knowing what they're doing. Because we've gotten these in other boxes and I've even chosen them in boxes, I have several of them. So when I have used them, I toss them in a lingerie bag, and when it starts getting full, I just throw them in at that point with all of my face cloths that I use. So it works really nicely. So I'm sure this is why we got this. So that is what they look like. And they are just, and you probably can't tell, they are just super, super soft. I mean, they are probably the softest ones of these I have ever felt. This says After Spa reusable rounds, perfect for all skin types. These reusable makeup wipes are made of the softest fabric and can replace disposable cotton rounds. Plus, they only require water to remove even the toughest makeup. And it says it has a $10 value. I would absolutely wash these before you used them, because I have lots of little fluffies that you guys probably can't see floating around me right here. Reaching in next, I have Korres, I love Korres, Hydrobiome Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. That is really cool. It's kind of a nice medium size, perhaps a deluxe sample. Yep, it says it's a deluxe mini on the paperwork. And it says Greek Yogurt Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. This probiotic mask with real Greek yogurt rehydrates, reduces redness, and rebalances the skin's natural protective layer in just one use. I am definitely going to be trying that. This is a $10 value. If it were full-sized, it would be a $49 value. Let's put a little bit of this on the back of my hand, nice safety seal, and see what it feels like. Anything that says it rebalances and reduces redness is always awesome for me. It's just a really thick cream. Oh, it feels really, it's almost like it's been whipped. It's really light. Not a lot of smell. Very light, very clean. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. I use a lot of the Korres body products, and I have tried some of their face things that have come in other boxes, and I think I've always been happy with them. I don't know if you're supposed to, if your skin is supposed to absorb this or what, but it says it's a face mask. My hand is just absorbing it right up. This says whipped face mask to instantly cool, hydrate, and nourish your skin. Apply a rich layer on dry, cleansed face, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off thoroughly. Well, I have to tell you, there is a little bit left there. You can see a little bit of a shine, but I think in 10 minutes, my hand will have been like, there's nothing left to rinse. But you're supposed to rinse it off. Even just sitting there on the back of my hand, it looks good. I cannot wait to try this on my face. That feels amazing. Reaching in next, I have a high maintenance peeling mask. So they have masks regardless of what your face issue is. That is kind of cool. I know masks can feel redundant, but by doing this, they've probably covered everybody, and I appreciate that. The paperwork says this is also a deluxe mini, and it is the high maintenance cannabis peeling mask. Purify, resurface, and smooth your skin with this peeling mask formulated with cannabis sativa seed oil, organic plant oils, and antioxidants. This deluxe mini has a $20 value. If it were full-sized, it would have a $46 value. Apply to clean, damp skin and massage in circular motions for a few minutes. Rinse with a cloth. Interesting. So you just keep massaging it and then you just rinse it off. Well, it doesn't have a safety seal, so although I don't know if I will use this on my face, I will pass this on to my daughter, so she won't mind if I put a little bit on my hand. When you take it out, that's what it looks like. It's just got a real gel consistency. So since we never let it dry, I wonder how it's a peeling mask. Does it just, oh, it's got just a tiny, tiny bit of grit in it. When I start, why does it feel like it's making more grit? Is it eating off the back of my hand? What is happening? See, I don't ever use these things on my face because my face is so sensitive that this isn't something. I feel like the grit is growing. Ew, what is happening? Look, there's stuff on my hand now. Can you, I hope you guys can see the chunky parts. See it over here? Is that my hand? So that's why you would keep massaging it onto your face. It's like, is it eating the dry? Guys, I'm telling you, that is so interesting. Can't wait to see what my hand looks like when we're done with this job. Well, it's going dry now, so I should have used more. So let's wipe it off and see what my hand looks like. I feel like I've missed so much not being able to do things like this on my face now. Like I said, if you've done anything like this, let me know. I don't know that I have ever, more than in this moment, been sad that I don't have a great camera set up, because there's no way. This is the hand I just did. Oh, almost knocked my tea over. I hope you guys can see. I hope that that shows in the difference. The dryness of this hand and this hand, which is completely dry now. It's like it's scrubbed up all the old off of it. I know that sounds so weird. Even if I can't use this on my face, I might use it on my hands. And now that my hand is 100% dry, it makes me so sad that I can't use this on my face. That is amazing. I don't know anything about this product. High maintenance peeling mask. I would highly recommend this. Get the box alone just to get this, or purchase this. That is amazing. I am not often these days surprised by the awesomeness of a product. That feels amazing. Okay, moving on, because I feel like I could go on about this for forever. Last but not least, I have a Seeds Phytonutrients Lightweight Facial Lotion for normal to oily skin. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this. I hate to open it because we have talked a million times about, like I said, I just did a video where I said in the summer I have dry skin, pleasantly dry skin. In the winter I have unpleasantly dry skin. So I don't think that anything that's normal to oily is for me. Let's see what the paperwork says. This is full size. It has a $34 value, 99% natural and 100% vegan. This moisturizer is rich in antioxidants to defend your skin from damaging free radicals and doubles as a makeup primer. I just read the ingredients, just thinking maybe something on here would prohibit me from using it. It sounds amazing. No animal testing, gluten-free, paraben-free, vegan, natural fragrance. I'm gonna go ahead, this is something else that I feel like I could probably pass on to my daughter, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this and show you guys what it looks like. Oh wow, it's really nice. So let's just do one pump on the back of my hand, my incredibly soft hand. It actually turned out to be almost 2 pumps. It is a lotion consistency, not a cream consistency. It smells nice, just very natural. Almost like a cough drop, an herbal cough drop. Not like a Halls or something obnoxious, but like, yeah, that's very nice. It's absorbing really quickly. I like that a lot. It says normal to oily skin, and I guess they know best, but it feels absolutely amazing. And the difference now between my 2 hands, I hope that that shows in any way, shape, or form, is phenomenal. That is the Glossybox 2020. Like I said, I will put my link below. It will get you $5 off your first box. They have golden tickets in 18 of them where you can win. Oh, what was the name of it? Rain Cry Hair Care. It says more than $110 value. I think when I looked it up, it was $111. We received this huge Bioderma micellar water, and then we got some nice cotton rounds that we can use with it, so that's very handy. The Zolt sample to try a CBD nutrient thing. Don't you love it when I sound like I'm such a knowledgeable expert? The Korres Creamy Face Mask, which felt amazing. This high maintenance peeling face mask, which is new to me because I don't use peeling face masks, and because I don't, I usually want to pass them along, so I don't even try them on my hands. Oh my gosh, guys, I hope in some way you can tell that my hand feels and looks like a baby's hand. That is what that looks like. And then the full-size Seeds Lightweight Face Lotion. And that also felt amazing. I think this was a really nice box. Let me know below what you guys think. Thank you so much for taking the time to come by, guys. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the time that you give to the channel and all of your support. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Happy New Year. How long do we keep saying that? I'm gonna keep saying it until I don't mean it anymore. Happy New Year.